Hi, my name is Bill Raymond. I am the author of 5 industry-leading technical books, including this 1,500-page tome. I spend days evaluating highly technical topics and then writing relatable content that is accessible to anyone. By using AI in my daily workflows, I am 10% more productive. Even better, I have reduced the time it takes to deliver strategically aligned and impactful content by 30%. I built this workshop specifically for you, the technical communications and documentation specialists. You already know the challenges of juggling brand guidelines, subject matter expertise, pressing deadlines, and the demands of managing structured and unstructured content. You might spend hours translating complex technical details into everyday language, validating each fact, and ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. This course focuses on your specific needs by showing you how AI can streamline repetitive tasks and enhance the overall quality of your work. Over 7 weeks, you will participate in 90-minute sessions that blends hands-on expertise with strategic discussions. Each lesson will show you how to leverage generative AI and adapt it to your particular established styles, guides, and domain terminology. You will learn how to shape prompts that produce accurate drafts, incorporate brand voice, and identify missing documentation. With thoughtful and deliberate use of AI, you can devote more of your time to tasks requiring your expertise, such as improving user journeys, driving engagement, and prioritizing customer content. When you sign up for this AI workshop for content creators, you choose to remove obstacles slowing down your process and learn valuable new skills. This course will give you a clear framework for verifying AI outputs, maintaining editorial standards, and preventing misinformation. You will leave with tools that help you plan, write, and review content faster without losing precision or consistency. Enroll today to reduce repetitive work, produce better documentation, and become a standout resource in your organization. If you are ready to embrace generative AI, I'm excited to be part of your AI learning journey. As part of my partnership with Scott Abel, the content wrangler, I am excited to share that we have upcoming spring and summer 2025 workshops. Use the QR code on your screen to learn more and sign up today. I look forward to seeing you there.